Ay, parang ito na yun. Doon natin pag-interview ako.
Sir, stop. Bawal po bang dito sa establishment?
Ha? Sir, interview lang po ako dito. Dinala ko lang po to para sa mga requirements ko.
Sir, mukhang delikado po yan.
Sir, delikado? Pandesal lang naman laman nito.
Exactly, sir. Carb are dangerous.
Sir, pandesal lang naman laman nito eh.
Sir, baka mainitan, tumigas, baka may masaktan.
Company policy, sir. Item 4B, Section 12. No bags allowed, especially those containing unidentified breads, like objects.
Sir, pwede ko na lang dalhin yung pandesal?
Sir, mas lalong bawal po ang loaf bread. May mobile po yan. Mas unpredictable.
Oh, ito sir oh.
We will keep this safe sa tabi mga ibang suspicious item.
Sige na nga sir. Pwede na ba ako pumasok?
Last question. May dala po ba yung emotional baggage?
Oo sir.
Okay lang yan, sir. Allowed yan. Part yan ng interview process.
Sir, pasok na ako sir ha.
Welcome, sir.
So Alex, time mo ka. Alex, 20 years old. Alex, normal na interview lang po. Doctor. Okay, Alex. Hello sir. Dito po ako para sa 9 a.m. interview po. Alex Santos po. Sir? Hello sir.
Ang aga mo. By 4.7 seconds. Ah! Uupo ka lang kapag sinabi kong pwede ka nang umupo. Okay?
Sorry sir. Sir? Ano yun sir?
Sagutan mo lahat. And do not use a red pen. Do not use a blue pen. Only use the pen that I will provide.
Sir? Nakuha mo lang ata tong ballpen sa basurahan eh. At saka, lahat talaga to sasagutan? Dami naman na ito sir.
You may sit now.
Ayop na yan. First page pa lang. Aray ko. Pwede bang uminom ng coke? Kapag coffee break? Bakit ng guard? Walang bantay. Aray ko. Number 365. Kung ang sinayang sa likod ng kortina, namin sinampay sa labas ng bahay. Naayos mo na ba yung kwarto? Ang tanong, anong ginagawa ni Pedro? Rico. Sir, kailangan mo talaga sagutan to.
Question number 147 is mandatory. What is your bank details?
Aray ko naman. Agay. Sir, ito na. Tapos na.
Alright. You may now enter. Door at the back.
Sir, thank you, sir. Wish mo lang, sir. Sir. Alex. Sabi ko. Alex. Alex. Good job, Alex. Sa interview, Alex. Kaya mo to. I'm Alex. Got the prize. Sa interview. Kaya mo ba to, Alex? Kaya mo to, Alex?
Okay, next question. Anong paborito mong number sa electric fan? Number 1. Okay, noted. Well, that's it. Congrats. Tatawanan ka na lang namin. Tatawagan ka na.
Applicant ka din?
Next!
Applicant ka din? Ilang oras ka nandito?
Hindi naman maasal, saglit lang. Mga 3 araw pa lang.
Sa isang araw? Aray ko.
Next! Jefferson!
Ay, pre.
Jefferson!
Jefferson, ikaw na. Ikaw ba yun?
Yes.
Good luck, pare, ha.
Next! Alex Santos. Alex Santos.
Uy, Alex. Ako yun. Ma'am.
Thank you for coming. Let us begin with the basic questions.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Salamat po sa oportunidad na to.
Question number 1. If you were a fruit, which one best describes your work ethic?
Fruit? Siguro, ma'am, mangga. Kasi tulad ng mangga, sweet.
Mangga. Seasonal worker. Noted.
Mali pala, ma'am. Avocado na lang pala. Kailangan mo muna hintayin. Para mahinog. Pero, worth it.
Avocado. High maintenance. Noted.
Hit na yan. Hindi ako nakapag-prepare din sa fruit interview course. Aray ko. Dapat pala, sinabi ko, saging para flexible.
Next, spell responsibility backward while maintaining eye contact.
Ma'am, backward? N-I-G...
Failed to spell responsibility, walang accountability. Noted.
Ma'am, hindi naman ata word yan.
Exactly. It shows you can create something from nothing. Innovative. Next question. Where do you see yourself in 400 years?
Ma'am, seryoso ba yan?
Mukha ba ako nagpapatawa?
400 years? Siguro, sa 400 years na yan, fossils na ako niyan eh.
Fossil. Walang ambisyon. Noted.
Ma'am, in all due respect, ano po ba talagang company ito?
To be perfectly honest with you, Mr. Santos, hindi rin namin alam.
Ha?
Our last CEO said that we're in the business of synergizing paradigms. Then, he decided to travel from Batanes to Hulu. And we haven't seen him since. Ang huling balita ko sa kanya is persona non grata siya sa Negros.
So, wala kayong product?
Our product is the interview process. We've been interviewing for 15 years. This is the longest we've ever existed.
Grabe. Akala ko mga BPO lang pala ang may identity crisis. Ito rin pala. Buong company na.
Well, that concludes our basic assessment. You scored a 7
Ma'am, 7? So, pasok ako.
out of 100. But don't worry, it's a passing grade for the next phase.
Please proceed to the team building room for the corporate Hunger Games.
Team building, ha? Hunger Games? Ma'am, makala ko ba interview lang ito?
Think of it as a personality test with a slightly higher mortality rate.
Ito na, ang pinakamagandang parte ng inyong interview. Welcome to the Corporate Hunger Games. Palakpakan!
Hello, I'm G. Person and I have 15 years experience in professional email etiquette and I color code my emotions.
Carlo, naniniwala ako sa reincarnation. Yung past life ko, dati ako PDF file.
Alex po, gusto ko lang naman po ng trabaho at wifi na maabot sa kwarto.
At for the first challenge, kailangan nila gumawa ng subject line na kapag nakita ng kanilang boss ay bubuksan agad nila ito within 0.3 seconds. Meron silang 10 segundo. At ang una natin manlalaro ay si Jefferson. Jefferson, meron ka 10 segundo para gawin ang iyong challenge.
Yes, sir.
You may start now! Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Maraming salamat, Sir Jefferson. At tignan natin kung ano sinulat niya. Urgent Updated KPI Alignment for Cross-Functional Workflow Synergy. Corporate Poetry plus 300 points. Maraming salamat, Sir Jefferson. Maaari ka na umupo. At ang susunod nating kalahok ay si Carlo.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Carlo, meron ka 10 segundo. Your time starts now. 3, 2, 1. Maraming salamat sa'yo, Carlo. At tignan naman natin kung ano ang sinulat niya. The universe compels you to open this email. Wow, manipulative. I like it. Plus 200 points. Maraming salamat sa'yo, Carlo. At ang susunod naman nating contestant ay si Alex. Alex Santos. Alex, meron ka 10 segundo para gawin ang iyong challenge. Your research starts now!
Sir, thank you, sir.
Four, 3, 2, 1. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Alex. At tignan naman natin kung ano yung sinulat niya. Sir, may tanong lang po. Wow! Relatable! Plus 500 points!
Paano? Paano ako nanalo?
Game 2. The meeting that could have been an email. Your task, hold a meeting. Without saying anything useful. Like a real meeting.
Yes, I was born for this, so let's take a holistic approach.
So, let's circle back.
Ayan.
We need to consider the mechanical KPIs.
Let's touch base next week.
Sinasabi nyo? Pinag-uusapan nyo.
Hep! Flawless! You have successfully wasted 45 seconds of company time. Plus 1,000 points to everyone. Game 3. The Great Office Supply Relay. Build the most efficient office workflow using only sticky notes and paper clips. Wow! Corporate Workflow Tower. Plus 300 points. Nice! Zodiac Sign. Plus 400 points. Creative Representation of Human Resources. Plus 2,000 points.
Sinundan ko naman yung ISO standard. Inoload code ko naman lahat.
Bakit ako yung naging workflow?
Congratulations sa ating lahat. For final ranking moments, and for the first one who advanced to the next round is Alex Santos. Alex Santos!
Sinundan ko naman lahat ng workflow procedures. Ba't ganun?
Destiny mo to, Alex. Pinili ka ng universe. Congrats.
Bakit ako? Bakit ako yung nanalo? Ni halos wala akong ginawa eh.
Exactly! Pure, unfiltered, raw confusion. The most important corporate skill. Congratulations! For the next phase, psychological evaluation.
No, Alex. Kaya mo po ba? Interview na naman. Alex. Kailangan. Kaya mo to. Kailangan mo to, Alex. Ano ba to? Ba't ang dilim? Ang dilim dito. Ito ba yung final interview ko? Hello? May tao po ba dito? Tama ba itong pinasukan ko? Ba't parang ang dilim naman dito?
Alex, let us begin.
Sir? Anong start, sir?
Question 1. What is the color of honesty?
Blue? Like sky? Like sea? Di ko alam, Dok eh.
Blue associates honesty with emotional emptiness. Fascinating. Question 2. Do you dream of spreadsheets?
Minsan, kasama yung sleep paralysis demon ko. Sinasabi niya, merge the cell correctly, anak.
Demon. Corporate trauma. Potential supervisor.
Para lang ako nagpapa-therapy. ASMR, pero traumatic. Gusto ko nang umuwi.
Question 3. If your boss yelled at you, would you cry or applaud?
Applause! Standing ovation pa. Susundan ko pa ng TikTok story. Hashtag toxic workplace. Hashtag bless.
Okay. TikTok as a coping mechanism. Peak millennial behavior.
Dok, real talk. Anong connect nito sa trabaho?
Everything is connected, Alex. Just like your Wi-Fi. Sometimes it's super fast, but sometimes it's super slow. Just like life. Sometimes you're super energetic, sometimes you're low and sad.
Dok, kaya siguro mahina yung utak. Naka-prepaid yata.
Question 4. What if this interview is just a dream of a fly that fell asleep on your shoulder? Look.
So, di ako nanaginip.
Or the fly is dreaming that you are being interviewed. Boom.
Shit! So, sino ba talaga ang nag-apply? Ako? O yung langaw? May chance ba siya ma-hire?
Flight-based consciousness. Leadership potential.
Ayoko na, Dok. Gusto ko lang ng trabaho. Kahit 20K lang. Kahit walang HMO. Basta may libreng kape. Kahit 3-in-1 lang.
But Alex, isn't life itself one big interview?
Parte mo din ba ito ng interview?
Isn't that everything?
Asan ako? Bakit ako nandito? Dok? Dok? Asan si Dok? Ha? Congrats, Alex. Manager? Manager? Ako? Anong ginawa kong achievements? Umupo ng maayos?
You pass all the stages, so you are now the interviewer. Wear this.
Sir, tagal na ito. Dami ng pinagdaanan nito.
Bow. Arte mo. Your first applicant is waiting. Go on. Come on. Good luck.
Kuha ka na lang po. So, eto na to. Buhay interviewer. Pagtanong ng weird question. Dream job. Dream job, yar.
Evening po.
Good evening po, para lang po sa interview.
Welcome. Let's begin. Kung magiging prutas ka, ano ito at bakit?
Apple, kasi red po.
May
Watermelon po, kasi marami pong layers.
Ayan, character depth. Next question. Kung na-stuck ka sa deserted island at itong papel lang meron ka, paano ka mabubuhay?
Una sa lahat, ba't po ba ako nandun?
Pilosopo! I like it! Plus 1,000 points!
Sir, tanggap na po ba ako?
Hindi pa. Stage 2 pa lang to. May obstacle course pa. Power. Sarapan ako dun Ba't kaya ko lang doon na-discover to? Sana pala. Sinabi ko na lang na saging. Para. Flexible. Ay!
Ang aga mo. By 4.7 seconds.
Interviewing for 15 years. This is the longest we've ever existed.
Wow! Relatable! Plus 500 points! Oh, yeah. Plus 300 points! At ang susunod na kalok ay si Carlo. Ay, Carlo! Alex Santos pala.
Carlo, naniniwala ako sa reincarnation. Dati kong past life, dati akong PDF file.
Or, okay, again. Or, oh, I forgot. Or, okay, again.
Party mo ba naman na? Sir, pwede ko nadali yung pandesal.
Come on. Good luck.
Kuha ka na lang po.
Let's touch base next week. Yes, I was born for this, so let's take a holistic approach.
Hindi pa. Stage 2 pa lang to. May obstacle course pa.